Hello friend, it is getting closer to summer or early sunbright for us living in California. And during this period, I enjoy taking the opportunity to give myself an illusion of bronzage and a finishing highlight utilizing my base color. By leaving the end bright, we accentuate the light and achieve a finishing look that appears as though you just received a fresh highlight. For this, I use a deeper blonde with the 8G from Goldwell, and you want to make sure you utilize, of course, a low peroxide tint volume. As I taught you before, remember always using two shades darker than your base color, no more. This technique is excellent for anyone looking to emphasize existing highlight or for those who prefer to leave the end untouched to achieve a soft and overall finishing touch-up. So let's begin.
Okay, I did a video, but unfortunately something happened to the phone and it shut down. So now I'm going to simulate again. I'm going to redo something anyway. I had to cut it off. So what I'm doing in this video is I want to give an illusion of bronze in here, and then I want to do just a different technique, and this is only going to be from the front and the side and the back a little bit, and very soft with a 10 volume peroxide. So the first things you want to do is, since I'm only wanted to do the front right here, so I'm going to brush it up in here and stop and just do this, because this is what I wanted to do, is to recreate this 2-dimension, because with the darker side and then the blonde, this is going to reflect on my face, and this is going to give me a illusion of bronzage. So this is going to be good. So you wanted to do is first decide how far you want. What I want is, you see, I do have some gray, so I do want to cover the gray right here, and then also do the root a little bit higher. So you're going to just do this part in here, and then after you have applied under, you want to go back and just take a comb and comb it through, so you do not have any line to the hair. So as you see, I was just doing the video when I realized that the video was not working. So what you want to do in here is just low light in here, finish the dimension right here. And this is very, very quick. This is going to be quick right here, and then you're going to keep this one, and then you're going to put a little bit right here, just right here at the root. Since you do not want to have any line of demarcation, you're going to take a comb in here and comb it. So you don't have a vendetta, you just have the finishing color dimension that you want. And then we're going to put some at the bottom in here, as I always do. This whole hair is going to be up and just secure. Just secure because I don't want to do anything to that. What I'm going to do, and here what you want to do to recreate this, is I do not want to color here. So I'm going to leave it like this. And then take this, put it back. Remember, I don't want to color the end. I just want to protect the fold a little bit. So this is going to keep the heat in. And this is going to be very good. Secure a little bit. Take another piece of foil and again fold like that, do the backward, and again you say you want to stop right here, so you're not doing anything to the end. You just want to some dimension and keep the heat in. This is why we do use foil. Since here we want more dimension, so we're going to comb it through here a little bit and then take a foil backward because it's easy for you to do it, and then secure. You can use a big clipper from the side all the way right here and it will hold everything. So you just leave everything like that for about 10 to 15 minutes. I did my eyebrow. You can see that I did my eyebrow. And then this here, I'm going to comb it here, comb it through, and then put the foil, put it back, but remember, I don't want to touch the end. I just want to touch the root. And you want to secure right here. So this is a fast way that I do when I wanted to do a low light and I want to do some different dimension. So I only touch the root and from the inside, not from the outside. So again, you're going to do this, secure backward, and you see it. I only have it right here. There's no color. There's no color at all on the end. I just want the root for dimension. And I want to do something very fast. So see, you don't have to, if you do have the time, you could do your entire head, but that's not what I want. I want something very fast. And make sure it's secure. This piece of hair, I'm going to just find a clippy and clip it up so it doesn't get to be mixed with the dark. And I do have some left, but I notice it's not even. So we do want some even we do want even color. I want to do fast, but I want to also do good. So now we do have even portion in each side. I'm going to take this. You're going to take this right here. I want this to be colored, okay? So the thing is, you want to make sure no hair that you don't want to color is away, okay? So we are going to do this. We're going to color the inside here. And then again. And then we are going to work it. Now, this is a low light. We want all the way. Again, I'm showing you the technique, okay? The technique, if you want to do something very fast, I do want, make sure it's saturate all the way to the end, because I do want that dark. This is a level 6G, so this is still the same family. So you're going to take this right here and close it to make sure you have all the hair inside the foil. Close it like this to keep the heat in. Make sure you have the end. We do want the end to be dark. You close it, and this is it. Now you're going to do the other side. You know that I work side to side, so I have an even saturation. The color is even in both sides. So I go inside in here, and then here. And I'm going to saturate everything. I really want to saturate the end. I want the end to be dark. Remember, this is just level 6G. But since my hair color, the whole hair color is a level 10, and some some are even get lighter to 12. It will appear to be much darker than what it is. So you're going to put the foil in here and put the hair inside. Just like that, to keep it the heat in. Make sure everything is in. Okay, if the foil breaks like it did, just put another piece over. Remember, you don't want to neglect anything that is happening. You want to make sure it's secure, okay? So now you're going to leave it on for about, well, I would have said 25 minutes and just wash it. And let's see, let me get my glasses to make sure this is okay. So it's not too much. You see, I don't have a lot of formula. This is a very, very little, maybe 1/2. And eco peroxide, just mix it. Make sure that when you mix it, it's really, it's almost like a pudding. It almost looks like a pudding. So if it's not like a pudding, it's not consistent. It won't do anything. So we'll show you the result. This is Chantal. You can see when you look at closer that it's already oxidized and it's darkened. But what you can see is right here, the luminosity that it gives to my face, because we have darkened the front, see, but we have not touched the top. So this is my result. I still have my blonde. I have my shadow roof. I have my 2-dimensional low light. And I'm happy. You want to see the process? You want to see the application? Then watch the entire video.